In today's episode, we are going to learn about the basic interface of Adobe Lightroom or Adobe Lightroom Classic. Coming up. Hey, what's up? This is Harshvardhan and welcome to the first episode of the new year 2018, and I'm very excited and I wish all of you a very happy new year, and I wish that this year brings more success, more joy, more learning, more earning for you and your family. In today's episode, we are going to learn about the basic interface of the Adobe Lightroom Classic. As you might be aware that recently the Adobe has made the two versions of the Adobe Lightroom. One is an online version and one is an offline version. Offline version is called the Adobe Lightroom Classic, with which you are familiar with, and there is another version which is an online version where you can do some basic editing online and you can sync all of your full resolution images online. So at the moment it has limited capabilities, but hopefully in the coming years we will be having more functions. Today's episode is a part of my premium course Adobe Lightroom Masterclass, which would be available on my website Harshvardhan Art very soon, and you can have the access to that and all of my courses with very affordable monthly or the yearly price. So if you are interested in having the access to all of my present and future courses, please consider becoming a premium member. There is a discounted link in the description section below. Go check that out, and before we go any further, please do subscribe to this channel if you have not already subscribed, and to subscribe just click the big red button below this video and don't forget to click the bell icon as well. That way you'll not miss any new video from this channel. Having said that, let's get started. In this lecture we are going to learn about the interface of the Adobe Lightroom. So let's get started. So over here we have all different modules. So this one is a library module. As you can see, this is a library module. This is a develop module where we can do lots of editing. And here we have the map module, book module, slideshow, print and web. So all of these different modules have different options to complete the different tasks. So library module is basically for organizing your images, where we can do the basic things into that, and we'll learn about that once we'll get into that. Okay, so this is a library module, and over here on this side we'll be having this navigator. You can see right now this is the navigator where we can preview our image, and we can either use the fit, so it is going to fit in the view, you can see, and if we go for the fill, it is going to fill the space, and if we go one-on-one, it is going to zoom in one-on-one 100%, and if we click on 3-on-1, that means it is going to zoom in 300%. Okay, so let me press fit and it is going to show us this one. And over here we have all these options related to our catalog. Catalog is basically a virtual folder which is being created by the Adobe Lightroom, where it stores all our images and data. Okay, and here we have all these folders from where we have our images. So these are basically from our PC. Okay, and over here you can see these are the, let me show you, this is the catalog, this is the folder, and here we have collections, and here we have publishing services like Adobe Stocks or Facebook, Flickr, so we can directly publish from here. Okay, and this is our timeline, so where we have all these different images, and if we scroll our mouse we can scroll through it. And this is the main preview panel, and if we click on this arrow, it is going to show us the secondary panel, which is over here, where we have these options of like quick develop, keywording, and each develop module has different options. So if we go to the develop module, here we have different options, and if we go to the map, here we have different options. Okay, let me just close it. Okay, and over here if we go into the book panel, you can see we have different options. So over here we have different option, over here we have different options, and there are certain options which are similar or common to each develop module. If we go to the slideshow, you can see over here we have the template browser, etc., and over here we have different options. And this similarly for the print, you can see here we have different options. So these all of these options are there to achieve the different task or the specific task related to that develop module. So here we can design our print, and here it is for the web, so we can create our own gallery. Okay, so this is how we can create HTML gallery. So we can create that, and here we have some templates, so we can create them by clicking over there. So all of these options are there. All right, so this is the simple interface of the Adobe Lightroom, where on left side we have all our folders or different options, and on the right where we can do the editing or where we can adjust the settings of the final output. And on the timeline we have all the images which we have just selected at the moment. Here you can see I have selected all photographs, so it is showing me all these photographs, so I can scroll through with my mouse. And here we have some different options we will get into once we'll start getting in depth into each and every module in Lightroom. And here on these options, like over here you can see this is an arrow, so if we want to hide this, so we can press this and it is going to hide it so that we can have larger preview. Similarly over here as well we have this arrow, again we can press it and it is going to hide it. And over here as well we have this arrow, we can press and hide it, and similarly over here as well we can press this arrow and it is going to hide it. And now we have the full screen preview or the larger preview, so that we can do the editing. And if you want only this one to visible, hover your mouse over here and click on this arrow, and this is going to show us this option. And if we click on these arrows, it is going to open up these dialog box and different settings or different options over here. Okay, so this is how we can make them visible, or we can make room for our editing or the preview. Okay, so that's how we can make our preview larger or the smaller depending on your need. And if we press tab, it is going to hide both of these tabs together, and if we again press it, it is going to show up once again. So thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please do let me know in the comment section below. If you liked today's episode, hit the like button. If you did not like the video, hit the dislike button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, you can leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not still subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking the red button below this video. And once again, let me remind you that today's episode was a part of my premium course Adobe Lightroom Masterclass, which would be available very soon on my website harshvardhanart.com. And if you are interested in getting the access to this course, this full course, and all of my present and future courses at very affordable monthly or yearly fees, then check out the link in the description section below, and please consider becoming a premium member of my website. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next episode. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.